Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I installed this beautiful boho soft locks. This is my first time doing any braids with curls. Normally I don't do curls, like I don't add curls to my braids, but this time around I decided to do a boho soft locks and I'm loving the look. I like the fact that it's lightweight. So let's get right into the video. Every locks installation starts with a pre-braid, whether you're doing faux locks or soft locks. So like you can see, I started pre-braiding my hair. I did it in twists so that during the takedown process is going to be easy for me. Normally when I'm doing locks on myself, I normally do faux locks on my hair. So when I'm doing that, I do the random parts, but this time around I decided to do the box part. The pattern sizes that I used here is between medium to large sizes. I did not do small sizes because I don't want a lot of locks on my head, and because the locks comes with curls already, when I do it small sizes I'm going to end up putting a lot of locks on my head, and that's not the look that we are going in for. So I did all the pre-braids a few days before I did the locks installation, and I was doing my hair in bits because my lazy self did not want to do everything within one day to get tired. Now that we are done with the braids, let's proceed to install the locks. So I hold the braids up so that I'll be working on it one by one. I got this mirror from Amazon and it made my work so easy and fast. With the locks extension, I used locs mermaid locks in color 1B, and this locks comes with the curls already. I used 3 packs of this extension and each pack comes with 3 bundles. This lock has a loop, like you can see here, it says pre-loop, so it has a loop that you can even use it as a crochet, or you can do it as individual crochet braids. With this hair extension brand, I realized that when you take the locks out of the pack, the curls distribution is not really closer to where the loop, or where the loop of the locks is getting like it's more to the end of the locks, and that wasn't the look that I was going for, but later I'm going to explain. And this is the wrapping hair that I used free threads, and this was a leftover hair extension that I had, and you need your scissors and your crochet pin. So I started sectioning the wrapping hair down so that I can like go faster. One important thing about doing your own hair is to get a good back view, and this mirror did just that. Like it just made my work so easy and fast. When I was installing my locks, I realized that some of the curls on the locks are not really evenly distributed, and it has a lot of curls. So what I did was to cut some of the curls out and later install it or fix it at the tip of my hair, or getting closer to the root of my hair. For the installation, this is the locks I'm going to install. I did most of the braiding off camera, and this is the curls that I took from this particular locks. So to make the curls easy to feed in, I kind of make the tip firm with this shine and jam gel, or you can use any type of braiding gel that you are using at the moment. And then I set the curls aside, and then I take my wrapping hair. With the wrapping hair, you need any type of brand, but it has to be like Afro kinky texture. I set that one too aside, and then you need your crochet needle help you crochet the braids into the curls. So guys, with the installation, most of the steps is self-explanatory, so I'm not going to talk through the video.
the curls installation, here is how I did it. After I've done a few wraps, I add the curls and then I do just like one wrap and fold the curls over. I do like 1 or 2 wraps on the curls, like you can see, and then I fold it over and do another wrap and take the curls out of it like I'm showing in the video. I found this method very good because, guys, after keeping these locks for 2 months, the curls were still strongly attached and it didn't come out. So you can use this method for if you are doing full locks and you want to attach curls to it, you can try this method. So this is the final look and I'm loving it. It's giving cutesy, it's giving demure, it's giving you went to the salon to get it vibe. I mean, I'm proud of myself. This is my first time doing boho soft locks on my own head and I'm really proud of myself. I love everything about this hairstyle. It's lightweight and it's not a lot on my head. I think I was able to keep this locks for over 2 months. Yeah, I love the old look and the new look. So if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video.